In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And to add a video file, scroll down and click on it here. If you can't find it here, select Folders, look for your video and click on it to attach it. To add an audio one, select this plus at the bottom left corner. Click on Files over here and look for your file by clicking on one of those apps, selecting audio at the top or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and choosing one of those sources. When you find your file, click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!